Hi vlog! This is me, Hannah. I'm going to the beach I'm going to the beach with my friends and get ready with me. So, as usual, I'm going to the beach with Rian and May and Jason. Since it's Monday, alam niyo na pag Monday, ito yung gala time namin. Kami lumalabas pag Monday. And yeah, ito yung ito yung free day namin. So, kasabay-sabay. Actually, hindi kami kompleto. Never naman kami na kompleto. Kasi yung iba may work, yung iba busy, yung iba wala lang. So, kami muna. Kami na lang lagi yung nagsasama. So, and, yeah. Wait natin sila. Hello, people of the earth! Welcome. Aray, pa ako. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Hello. Hi, vlog! So, na-late yung pizza delivery. Kailangan ko pang tumawag sa customer service ng pizza restaurant at saka sa Uber. And current ng miscommunication and such. But it's now settled and okay na. So, we're on our way to Goland. Pero ibang na to, ibang Goland na to. Nakakarating kami ng Goland Provincial Park. Say hi, Rian. Okay. See you later. Siya yung vlogger talaga, na public vlogger. Ako kasi private vlogger. May ganun. Private vlogger. Okay, bye. Rian. Rian. Smile.
Hindi siya mahanap sa Google Maps.
Taray. Hello.
Marunong ka ba magpalobo ng
Sports mode. Ang UV? Anong UV?
Anong UV natin ngayon? Pili ko mababa.
UV6. Oo, medyo mahangin.
Sana uminit pa.
Yan ah.
Malahat.
Skywalk. Really?
para makababa.
Hi vlog! So we're here in Goland. There's my friends! Say hi! And sobrang ganda ng araw dito. So if you're familiar sa Malahat, yun lang yung Malahat over there. Zoom ko. Wait. So yan yung Malahat. One of the tourist spots here in Vancouver Island. And here we are. Here's our setup. Just a relaxing day. Chill lang for today. And yeah. Mag-relax muna. See ya! Hi vlog! I'm here floating sa Goland lake. Hindi ko alam kung anong lake to, pero sobrang ganda dito. And I think connection siya ng Brentwood Bay. So nice. Tayo pupunta. Alam, magpapahinga. Nag-hike pa kami neto. Hi! Oh, hello vlog!
Tayo lang nangitim. Mga tao.
Pabalik na kami. And yung hike namin is pataas. So, don't forget to bring your trash after nyong tumambay. And see you after this trail. Ilang minutes ang trail?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. So, bye. Enjoy muna namin ang view. Wala na naimik. Kaming dalo na. Bye-bye. Okay. Arek ko na yun. Lamok. Sakit. Okay. Okay. How many meters left? 650 meters left. Sa trail na to. Oh my God. Saan sila? Muna na kami. See you there. Go guys. Kaya yan. Konti na lang. Whew. So, lahat ng trail na napupuntahan namin, talagang malalayo. And you have to go through the trail before getting sa mga beach or sa ocean. But it's worth it. And this is also exercise, you know. Posi-posi tayo. Exercise pa rin yan. Last uphill. Here we go. Let's go, May. Oh, mag-airga pa kami. Here we are in Goland. We made it. I mean, dito na kami. Pauwi na. Whew. Solid.
Lahat na lang police.
Ikaw na order, May. May McDo up ka ata eh.
Ayun, mag-order niya.
Hi! Thank you for watching our vlog. To our next vlog.
Complete na.